Hi, my name's Adam Phillips, Product Specialist here at Terex Coventry.
Terex is expanding its backhoe loader range with the new TLB870. Available in Europe with a Deutz 55 kilowatt Tier 4 final engine, or for the rest of the world with a Perkins 70 kilowatt Tier 3 engine. Both engines delivering power, performance and economy. The modern design of the TLB870 includes a new facelift cab, incorporating a full roof canopy which helps to reduce in-cab temperatures in hot climates, and LED work lights offering excellent durability and improved illumination when working at night. A new curved loader arm continues the aesthetics of the TLB870, complementing the curved designs seen elsewhere on the machine. An all-new, intelligent and efficient in-loader hydraulic system uses open centre valves from Husco. The system provides automatic control of the 128 litre per minute tandem gear pump. When there is no hydraulic demand, both pumps are unloaded to tank, reducing the load on the engine, leading to improved fuel efficiency. The system then in-loads each pump, depending on the hydraulic flow requested. The TLB870 uses proven Carraro synchro shuttle gearbox and Carraro axles, the rear having outboard reduction gears and brake packs, and the front maintaining our class-leading turning circle of 7.9 metres over the tyres. Power-assisted brakes ensure safe stopping and reduced operator effort. Standard specification is kept simple on the TLB870, including a 4-speed synchro shuttle gearbox, 18-inch front and 28-inch rear Mitas tyres, and a 1 cubic metre standard front bucket. The TLB870 also boasts servo excavator controls as standard. Options such as 7-in-1 bucket, air conditioning, inner slide extendable dipper and auxiliary hydraulics can be ordered from the factory. The TLB870 uses our proven straight boom and dipper to provide superior excavator productivity, providing exceptional dig depth of 4.4 metres with a standard dipper or 5.74 metres with the optional extendable dipper, and ground level reach of 5.68 metres or 6.99 metres respectively. Class-leading excavator tear-out performance offers up to a 30% increase in force when compared to the competition. We have also retained our twin transport lock, enabling both the boom and slew to be locked with a single lever inside the cab, making safety simpler for our operators.